Alright, SunMed users, today I'm going to go over the recommended ways to disassemble and reassemble a SunMed reusable laryngoscope for disinfection and for sterilization. First step is to remove the laryngoscope blade, to disengage and remove. Next, simply unscrew the bottom portion of the laryngoscope handle and remove both C batteries. Once the batteries have been removed, unscrew the laryngoscope handle head. Inside of it you'll find the lamp cartridge. This lamp cartridge can also be unscrewed by hand. Note that no special tool is needed to remove the lamp cartridge. Once the device has been completely disassembled, it is ready for cleaning and sterilization. A couple things to note. The lamp cartridge cannot be sterilized. It's meant to be disinfected instead. Secondly, SunMed does not recommend the use of automatic cleaning, ultrasonic cleaning, dry heat sterilization, or potassium hydroxide liquids. For all the recommended cleaning procedures, please consult the SunMed IFU, which can be found in every single laryngoscope blade and handle packaging. There's a green document that looks like this. Once you've completed the sterilization and cleaning process, the device is ready to be reassembled. First step is to take your lamp cartridge, reinsert it into the handle head, and tighten until it is snug. Note that no special tool is needed for this. Next, you retighten it onto the laryngoscope handle until it is snug, and then reinsert both batteries at the bottom of the device. Note that the stripe is always at the bottom of the laryngoscope handle. Lastly, you retighten the bottom of the laryngoscope, and it's ready for your next intubation. We always recommend double checking that the lamp is functioning properly. You can check with your finger, or you can check by re-engaging a blade. If for any reason the lamp is not functioning, please double check your batteries and double check your lamp cartridge. If the device is still not functioning properly, please discontinue the use of the device and call your SunMed rep. Thanks for watching.
For more information about our SunMed products, you may visit us at www.sunmed.com.